In today's video, I want to show you 2 apps that make me millions every single month. I'm going to show you exactly what I do to make money from these apps and how you too can do that to start earning every single day from these apps. I will share this in 6 simple steps, telling you exactly what to do at every stage of your journey. Even if you have zero knowledge, zero experience, and zero capital to start. Plus, I have a sweet offer for you because I found that one thing a lot of newbies struggle with when it comes to making money using this app. So I have packaged a solution to this particular problem. So as soon as you're done watching this video and you're willing to put into practice all you are going to learn from this, you are going to start making money in the next 60 to 90 days using this app. Then as time progresses, you enter into your monthly million income. Are you ready? Let's jump straight in. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you'll be part of this community. I can't wait to welcome you. So when it comes to making money online, the most important thing is value. People are going to give you money in exchange of value you offer them. Now, interesting thing is that you already have this value. Either you don't realize you have it, or you acknowledge you have them, but you do not know how to package it. That's exactly why you should watch this video to the end, because I want to show you step by step how this thing is done, so you'll be able to start earning from your knowledge and experience. In case no one ever told you, millions of dollars exchange hands every day online. So the first step is to determine what you are going to offer. People are going to pay you in exchange for the value you bring to the table. So when we talk about what you are going to offer, it's simply about you going into yourself and asking yourself, what problem have I solved? What challenge have I overcome in the past? It could be you are a graduate, you made first class when you were in the university. You wouldn't believe how many hundreds of thousands of students would want to know exactly what you did to read, understand, and be able to graduate with first class. Or maybe it could be an ailment. You had diabetics at one stage, but you were able to manage it and now you are diabetic free. A lot of people are going through this challenge. They would want to pay you to let them know exactly what you did to come out of it. So long as it offers value and it solves a problem for a class of people, this is exactly what people are going to pay you. Second step is to go on and package this solution you are going to sell to us. It could be offered in any form or shape. So it could be an ebook, it could be an online course, it could be a video course, it could be an audio course, it could also be a simple PDF. And yes, don't overthink it. It's not going to be perfect the first time you create it, but just start, because this first move you're going to make will be the first step to perfecting it. And of course, it doesn't have to be lengthy. It could be a 5-minute audio recording. It could be a 20-minute video recording. It could be a 5-page or even 10-page PDF. So long as it offers value and it solves a problem for a class of people. I remember my first experience when I started creating digital product and selling online. I couldn't believe that people would pay me to buy that offer I made that period, but they were happy. They take it, they still come back to thank me for offering that value. And that's exactly the experience you're going to have when you start. So yes, don't overthink it. Start. At this stage, you may need to learn how this product is packaged. You may need to learn how to create an online course. If it's an ebook, you may need to learn how to write an ebook. And trust me, it's not difficult. You can actually get a coach to teach you how it is done, or just go on your own and learn it, watching videos from YouTube and any other platform you can think of that will help you get this thing done. So in the past 5 years, I've created loads of digital products and services, and these products and services earn me money every single day. Interesting thing about creating digital product or service in this era is that AI will come to your rescue. Yes, if you master how to use AI, it won't take you days to create value-packed product or service that will impact the lives of your target audience. Step 3 is to go on and build your audience. This is a group of people that will give you these millions we're talking about every single month. And I'm going to explain exactly how to do it. That's where picking the right platform comes in. You're going to go for 2 or 3 platforms where you are going to build your audience. So for me, I use YouTube, Facebook, and WhatsApp. These 3 apps pay me every single day. So you need to pick the right platform for your business, and the right platform depends on the kind of audience you talk to. So I discovered that a lot of you have problem identifying the right platform for you. This resource that will help you identify the right platform for you based on the group of people you are talking with. The link to this resource is contained in the description of this video. Now on YouTube, once your channel is monetized, your videos earn money every single day. And beyond the money YouTube pays us, I also have a system that pulls in money for me every single day from my YouTube videos. On Facebook, I earn also every single day. And of course, I do something on WhatsApp. One good thing about these platforms is that you can repurpose content. Yes, you can actually use a video you have on your YouTube, you repurpose it, and also have it on your TikTok and vice versa. Step 4 is to go on and start creating content. This is where the game lies. If you're going to make money in the next 30 days from these apps, it boils down to the kind of content you create. Now, a lot of times, you know you can do this, you would like to do this, but the problem is you don't know the kind of content you put out. You don't even know how to create it so it gets attention of people, make them to know, like, trust you, and eventually start buying from you. So hold on a second, because I'm about to solve this problem for you once and for all. Talking of content, there are 2 types of content you can use to grow your online business to a stage it starts generating money every single day for you. The first one is paid advert, and the second one is organic content. Now, both of them are good, depends on what you want and how you want it. Everything I have online today, I achieved it through organic growth, and I tell you, it is one of the best options you can go for, especially if you are building for the long run. Organic content helps you to build genuine audience, people that are going to know, like, trust, and buy from you for who you really are. Paid content has its advantage in terms of helping you to achieve the goal really fast. But if you rely on paid content all through, it may not work, because it means you have to spend money every single day to get money. And when you are not spending on adverts, you are not making money. For me, that is not reliable business. Now, the question is, how do you build organic audience that give you money every single day? That's where content comes in. And this is where a lot of people are having issues. You want to create content because you know this is where the money is, but you don't know what to post. And that's where I come in. I've decided to give you my 30-day content calendar. What this means is that I'm actually allowing you to steal my content calendar. And yes, it's for a token, because I sincerely want you to start making money. This is a never seen before kind of content calendar, because in this book, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post every single day for the next 30 days. I will tell you what to post on Monday and give you idea what to post on Tuesday, what to post on Wednesday, what to post on Thursday. I'm not just casually mentioning it. I'm going to give you a relatable example so you can apply it in your business. Now, not only that, I'm also going to show you how to create the content, where to get this content written for you. All you need is to copy it, modify it if you need to, and then paste it on your page, and you start getting eyeballs on your page. So yes, this book is all you need to activate your social media money making. Interestingly, it is just for $1 or 1,000 naira. To access this book, click on the link in the description of this video or the link in the first comment. Once you get this done, the last step is to launch and scale. I'll advise you to have a proper launch. This is exactly what I do for my one-on-one coaching clients. I organize a proper launch. Launch is a no-brainer. If you are going to start your journey to making money online, you need to have a special day you officially let us know who you are, what you do, and of course promote your product or service to us. This proper launch can take any form. You can have a webinar launch, you can have an online course launch, it could be offering an ebook or any other format you prefer. It allows you to build momentum and then officially start the business. It actually shows that you have a plan and you make it look like a proper brand. Now, after the launch, it boils down to content. Whether you're going to sell daily, weekly, or monthly has everything to do with the kind of content you put out there. When you offer value, massive value in your daily content, you make daily sales. That is why you need this book here, because I showed you what to post on a daily basis, Monday to Sunday, to get attention of your audience and be able to convert them to paying customers. This is going to be the best investment you ever made this month, because it's going to show you exactly how we use content to make money on a daily basis. I hope you got value from this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. If you have questions, go on and ask in the comments. I'll be there to answer you. See you in my next video. Bye.